Hello guys, this is me again, Rob Briner, ang inyong alindog, lipstick lang ang katapat. Today's vlog is we're going to try or unboxing cashmere necklace. Oh, diba? This is guys, this cashmere necklace is it's very rare. Wala nito, there's nothing like this I saw in my life, but only now this summer. So ayan guys, but before that, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new videos.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, never strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
So ayan guys. So let's start and let's continue my necklace cashmere. Ayan, Jaran. You see guys, I bought this in Boken Mart. Ayan, in Essen. So ayan guys, makita niyo siya, di ba, unique. So i-unbox natin siya. Let us see. Itatry natin siya. Cashmere to, mga kalindog. Cashmere. Di ba? Ayan, wait lang ha, mga kalindog. So, ayan mga kalindog. So, ayan mga sorry. So, ayan mga kalindog, i-open na natin. I bought this more than 50 euro. Ayan, ha? So, let us open. Kasi maganda siya, guys. I show you how to do it because there's a lot of purpose by the necklace. So, ayan mga kalindog, no? So, this is 50 euro. I bought it. So, now is summer. If you wear this necklace, guys, you can wash it. Ayan. Meron siyang calling card. So, ayan mga kalindog. Dito siya. Ulkira Steven. Ayan. Made married and mobile and world. Ayan guys. Ayan. Meron siyang calling card. So, we can sit at meron din siyang website. Ayan guys, yung website. So, pakita ko sa inyo mga kalindog. Ayan. So, ayan guys, oh. Meron din siyang silver na mga this is a silver guys. This is difference. I bought this more than how much is this? I think I bought this more than 60 euro. Yeah. At ayan. So, ayan mga kalindog. Charan! So, ayan. At meron siyang ayan guys, I show you, meron siyang mga, ayan, argento. What is argento? It's a silver, yeah. So, ayan guys. So, pakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya isuot at paano siya. Marami siyang purpose guys, o diba? Very, very unique. So, ngayon, ang pag-open, it's how to open is, you need to flip only this. Ayan, ganyan, ayan. You see, it's already open. So, ayan, pwede siyang tanggalin ng ganyan. Show you guys. Ayan. O, diba? So, ayan. Itong this, it's like a ring like this. You can insert this like that, guys. Ayan. For example, like that. So, kung, if you don't like naman like this, you can also don't put it this, no? Because they have already the, what do you call that? The silver. Ayan. For example, only like that. Ayan, guys. I show you. Ayan, ganun siya. So, ayan guys. This is cashmere guys. Ayan. This is the hair. Ano to yung balahibo ng ano ba yan ng it's not a goat but the what do you call that? Ng tupa. What is tupa? I forgot. Okay, tupa it's like okay, this is the this is the balahibo ng tupa. I don't know, I forget already. You know me, I always black. So ayan guys, I show you how to wear it. So wait, let us make my hair first like this. So para i-demo ko sa inyo ng much better. Ayan, ng sheep pala yan. This is the hair of the sheep. Ayan, the white sheep. Ayan guys, o diba? Very ano siya, elegant. Ayan, very talagang maganda siya. Ayan, mga kalindog. So, i-insert nyo lang siya. Ayan. I don't know if you see. I-press nyo rin lang siya ng ganyan. Ayan. So, ayan guys, ganyan siya kung isuot. O, diba, ang sosyal. Diba guys, ang sosyal ng kanyang pagkagawa yan. Nakita nyo, my color is different na, ayan. My face is dark, but here, inside is already a little bit white. So, ayan guys, o diba, napaka-elegant niya, o diba, sosyal. Tapos, I show you also still, we can do it different, o diba? So, ganyan lang siya, ang sosyal, diba? For example, ayan. So, you can wash it, guys, ayan, o diba? Para din siyang, winch cart. But anyway, guys, ayan, ha? At ituturo ko sa inyo, pwede rin siyang palakihin. You can, make it longer, guys. For example, ayan. So, gawin natin. Kasi dinemo niya. So, you need to remove this or take it out this, the ring. Only if you want it. You see, you can also use this like a ring, guys. Oh, like this. You see? Oh, diba? Ang ganda niya. Diba? So, ayan mga kalindog. I show you. Ayan. So, you can do it like this. And for example, you want more longer. Yung talagang parang Gretchen Barreto. Ayan, like this. So, ayan. So, hindi ko alam eh. Wait. Basta ang alam ko, you can do like this. Ayan. So, you can make longer. It's depend. So, ayan. O gusto niyo siyang maging ganyan lang. No, wait. For example, ayan. O gusto niyo yung ganyang mahaba. You see? O, ayan. So, you can put always the ring, no? This ring is also silver, guys. So, ayan, o, diba? Ang sosyal niya. Maganda siya, very elegant, guys, kapag sinuot niyo siya. Diba? Ayan. So, there we go. O, ayan, diba? Then, you can put here in the middle yung ring. O, diba? So, ayan, mga kalindog, ganyan. So, elegant, more elegant. O, diba? Very nice. Talagang, nung nakita ko siya, I really, my God, sabi ko, this is unique. O, diba? Ang ganda-ganda niya. Pwede siyang ganyan. Ayan. Diba? At, you can also make a little bit like this. Ayan, guys, ha? Show you again. Ayan, how to do it. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Pwede nyo siyang gawing ganyan. You just make only like this. So, ayan. O, diba? O, diba? Ganyan lang, guys. Pwede siyang ganyan para masosyal. O, diba? Ayan. O, that's it. O, diba, guys? Marami siyang pwedeng gawin. O, diba? Tapos, this ring, you can put this ring, of course. Oh my God. Ayan, dyan siya. O, whatever you wanna do, put it. So, ganyan. O, diba? Diba, guys? Very elegant. Ang ganda-ganda niya. O, diba? Nice. O, very nice. Diba? Ang sosyal. So, ayan. At pwede rin siyang gawin ganyan, guys. If you want like that. And, put this ring, of course. Ayan. Pwede nyo siyang ilagay yung ring dito na nakaganyan. For example. O, diba? Ang ganda niya. Ayan, mga kalindog. Worth it. O, diba? O, diba? Ang ganda. O, diba? Very nice. So, ayan, mga kalindog. Ang kanyang website is, ayan, ulrike.steven@web.d. Ayan, guys. Makontak nyo siya dito. Only in Germany. There's a lot of different color, guys. Pwede nyo siya rin lagyan ng mga ganyan. Oh. Meron din sila. Ayan. This is all wool, guys. This is, ano yan, hair ng sheep yan, ng tupa. O, diba? Ang ganda, diba? Very elegant. But actually, mas gusto ko siya. I really love it when like this, guys. Diba? Mas gusto ko siya kapag ganito lang yung maiksi. Ayan. Ayan, guys, like this. Of course, super elegant siya ng ganyan. Diba? Ayan, guys. Diba? Mas okay siya ng ganyan. Diba? Ayan, guys. So, kailangan, you need to be, ayan, guys, ganyan lang siya. O, diba? Ayan, guys, oh. Kaya mas, pag ganyan, you will see really the silver. All the silver, diba? Ayan. So, ayan, pwede naman siyang ganyan. More better. O, diba? O, ayan. O, di ba mga kalindog? Di ba? Ang ganda. My favorite color, green. So, pwede nyo siyang isuot pag ganyan mga, for example, mga, you're going to a little bit mga sosyalan, mga party, ayan, ganyan lang. So, ayan, o, di ba? Hi, hello, ayan, you're talking. So, di ba? Very elegant. Kung talagang, you will see, o, di ba? Ang ganda niya. This is a wool, guys. A really cashmere. Cashmere yan. Made from the, I think this is from, this, people came from Ukraine or somewhere here in Europe. Ayan. This is product from the, handmade and for, the hair ship. O, diba ang ganda? So, ayan guys. I hope did you enjoy again my, video. So, guys, I always say, don't forget to smile. Ayan guys, thank you. So, thank you for watching mga kalindog. I hope did you enjoy my video, my cashmere necklace. So, ayan guys. Bye until next video again. Okay? Don't forget to make bell or press the bell. Okay? So, para you're always or you notify my new videos. If you will press the or click the bell. So, bye guys. Ay, nalilito naman ako. I'm just, nabubulol na naman ako. Sorry guys. Ayan. So guys, thank you mga kalindog. Thank you for watching. Bye! Mwah!